Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. These are the visuals of District Bar Association Gandarbal Annual Picnic 2024. In this video, we will try our best to uh, show you all the male members of District Bar Association Gandarbal who were on picnic annual picnic 2024 at Sonmarg. This is the one of the senior advocate, Mr. Shafat Andrabi Sahab. This is Advocate Yunus Saab and Advocate Rameez Saab. These are the clerks, Afzal Saab and Rashid Saab. Now Aslam Saab with President Saab, Salaj Saab and Mustasin Saab. This is Advocate Sohail Saab. This is Tanveer Saab, Advocate Tanveer Saab, talking with APP Farooq Saab. Now here it is Mr. Shaukat Saab and Umar Ali Saab. It is once again Tanveer Saab sitting with Advocate Iqbal Saab and Advocate Momin Saab, talking about the beauty of the area of Sonmarg. This is General Secretary Imran Saab, and this is APP Farooq Saab. This is Basit, a clerk of Momin Saab. See the beauty of the area. This is Advocate Yunus Saab. Once again, Advocate Yunus Saab. Here sitting is President Saab Salati Saab. This is these are the senior members, General Secretary Saab Imran Saab and Ghulam Rasool Saab. Now Iqbal Saab sitting over here with President Saab. Now once again Iqbal Saab with Tanveer Saab. Now once again Shafat Saab sitting along with Saifuddin Saab. General Secretary Imran Saab and Tanveer Saab. One of this senior member Mehraj Saab. Now once again we are showing our President Saab, Mr. Salati Saab, sitting with Sohail Saab and Mustasin Saab. Once again Yunus Saab and Momin Saab sitting together, and in opposite is sitting Mr. Rameez Saab. Shafat Saab and Mehraj Saab. This is a visual of Mr. Tanveer Saab playing with his daughter, his cute daughter. This is Ishfaq Azad Saab.